China EV Post reports that Ehang has successfully completed its first passenger-carrying demonstration flight of the EH216S in the United Arab Emirates, marking a significant step in showcasing its electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL technology in overseas markets. The EH216S, which is part of Ehang's EH216 series including models for firefighting and air logistics, has a guide price of $330,000 in China. With a maximum flight speed of 81 miles per hour and a flight endurance of 25 minutes, the EH216S is designed to address urban transportation challenges by offering a pilotless, emission-free alternative. Ehang has obtained all necessary certifications in China for the EH216S, making it the first eVTOL maker to achieve this milestone. The company is actively working on establishing commercial WAM routes in the UAE, including the construction of an eVTOL airport and forming strategic partnerships to support its expansion in the region. You are listening to UAE News.